Final boarding call for Flight 247 to London. Passengers should proceed immediately to Gate B12.
Oh no, where is Gate B12?
Excuse me, where is, gate? Which gate? I don't know how to say it.
Have you ever been lost at an airport? I was. I could not find my gate. I wanted to ask for help, but I did not know what to say. Maybe you have felt the same way. Don't worry. Today, we'll learn the English you need at the airport. Let's go. Excuse me, where airplane?
Sorry?
Where airplane go?
I don't understand.
Oh no. Excuse me, Gate B12? Go straight, then turn left. Sorry? Go straight, turn left. Excuse me, exit?
The exit is behind security.
Behind security? Oh no, I still can't find my gate. My flight is boarding soon. I need to ask for help. But first, I need the right English. Let's learn 5 airport phrases that can help. First, excuse me. Excuse me. We use this before asking a question. Next, I am lost. I am lost. Use this when you don't know where you are. Next, which way to the exit? Which way to the exit? Use this when you need to leave the airport. And one more. Can you help me? Can you help me? This is a very useful phrase when you need assistance. Now let's practice. Repeat after me. Where is Gate B12? Where is Gate B12? I am lost. I am lost. Which way to the exit? Which way to the exit? Can you help me? Can you help me? I still haven't found Gate B12. I hope I can find it before the flight leaves.
Good morning.
Good morning.
May I see your passport, please?
Here you are.
Thank you. Do you have any bags to check in?
Yes, 1 bag.
Thank you. Here is your boarding pass.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Why are you visiting London?
I am visiting friends.
How long will you stay?
1 week.
Where will you stay?
I will stay with my friends.
Do you have a return ticket?
Yes, I do.
Thank you.
Thank you. Hello? Hello. 1 bottle of water, please. Sure. Anything else? No, thank you. That will be $3. Here you are. Thank you. Here is your water. Thank you. You're welcome. Excuse me, where is Gate B12? Go straight and turn left. Go straight and turn left? That's right. Thank you. You're welcome. I found it! I found Gate B12.
Now boarding Flight 247 to London.
I made it! I finally found Gate B12. Today we learned, excuse me, where is Gate B12? I am lost. Which way to the exit? Can you help me? And here's today's tip. Always arrive 3 hours early for international flights. Thank you for learning with me today. Have you ever gotten lost while traveling?
Tell me in the comments. I'd love to read your stories. And if this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with a friend who is learning English too. But my airport problem was not the worst part of my week. On my first day at work, my boss was not happy with me at all. And trust me, you do not want to miss that story. See you in the next episode. Bye!